everyone, in this video I'll be doing my at-home microneedling, but first let me update you with my skin. So this is my day 8 after my DIY TCA cross chemical peel and at-home microneedling. Alright, so to start the procedure, I will exfoliate my skin first with Banish Pumpkin Enzyme Mask. Alright, so this step is optional because if you have sensitive skin, I would not recommend you to exfoliate your skin first before doing the microneedling because this might irritate your skin. You may exfoliate your skin the day before your microneedling treatment. So this product is good if you have whiteheads or blackheads and even active pimples. Alright, so I will just leave it for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing it off with water, and then I'll be right back. Alright, so here I already washed my face and I will now start with the micro needling procedure, of course using the Banisher 2.0. Alright, so here I started with my philtrum area, so it's just the same thing. I'm pressing it 3 to 5 times or 4 to 5 times in each area, and then I'm using the same technique, like I'm pressing it, lifting it up, and then rotate 90 degrees and then press the tool again on my skin. And by the way, everyone, so do not use it on your active pimples. And also this tool has 0.5 millimeter needles length. And if you're thinking that it's too short, I just would like to let you know that the recommended and advisable and safe length for at-home microneedling is from 0.25 millimeter up to 0.5 millimeter only. And don't worry everyone, even the Banisher 2.0 only has 0.5 millimeter length of needles. I can assure you that it is really effective because you can do the procedure once every week and you can use it for a maximum of 8 use, but it really depends on your preference. If you think that the tool is still hygienic and no bent bristles, then it's your choice. Alright, so going back in the video, so here I am almost done doing the procedure. And here's how my skin looked after the procedure. Alright, and of course, after the procedure, I will apply my aftercare products. So I used the Banish serum with vitamin C and E. So this is a dark spot corrector which will help your skin to boost your collagen production and will also help to fade your hyperpigmentation. Alright, and then next I also applied the Banish vitamin C cream. So this is a daily brightening moisturizer. Of course, this cream will moisturize our skin for faster healing, and it will also brighten our skin because it has alpha-arbutin. And by the way, everyone, if you want to try these products, the link is on the description box of this video, and you may use my discount code MARS to get a $5 off for orders $50 above. Alright, that's it everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and share this video, follow me, and subscribe to my channel. Bye! Mwah.